Welcome. In front of me is a Honor Pad 8, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's swipe down from the top of the screen to bring down our toggles. I'm going to swipe down on them once more to extend the list of them. And somewhere here we should have a power saving mode visible, though it looks like it's actually not added by default. So let's click right here on this pencil, and then we're going to select Edit Shortcut Switches. Am I blind? Nope, it looks like it's not here. Okay, so change of plans. We're gonna go to Settings, find Battery. There we go, Battery. And we have it right here. For some odd reason on this Android, it's not stored in the notification tray, like on every other device. So we have to go out of our way to find the power saving mode tucked away under the battery section. So from here you can toggle it on. As you can see, it also gives you the estimated battery once enabled. So it's going to be about 58 hours and 27 minutes. Though this doesn't account for any kind of toggles being turned on or the brightness of your screen and anything like that. So at least I don't think it will. Let's see. Oops, I think that's a little bit too much. Oh, it actually does. So you can see it's now 57:53. Hello? So wait, does it or does it not? Okay, no, it doesn't. So I think just battery might have changed. So let's disable it. It doesn't bring out the brightness back up, so I'm gonna do it myself. So yeah, as you can see, it actually doesn't change the time remaining, which for a moment there I thought it will, just because it's changed from 27 to 53. So it doesn't account for any kind of toggles that are running right here, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and hotspot, screen recordings, and all that stuff, which will obviously affect your battery life. So will the brightness. So keep in mind this number might be completely wrong depending on, for instance, your use of the device. So if you, for instance, have always on the screen, always on, max brightness, this will be obviously significantly lower than the number presented right here. Now, with that being said, also you can see that you can toggle it on from here and off from here, because the toggle doesn't exist in your toggles where its place should have been. You will have to go out of your way to turn it off once you're done needing it, and you probably will want to turn it off once you're done needing it, because most power saving modes, let's see if this one does it as well, tend to mess around with your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and will either deliver notifications in, well, delayed kind of way, or just not deliver them to you at all. Here we have dark mode will be enabled, auto sync, and some other functions will be turned off. So this portion right here, auto sync, already suggests that it doesn't delay them, it just completely flat out turns them off. So for you to get updates from applications that require internet connectivity, you will need to open them up, which you can imagine how that might be a little bit annoying. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.